All right, welcome back to Faceless YouTube Profits. We're going to be talking about how much Faceless YouTube channels earn, and this is current in 2024. We're going to look at a couple different channels, and I'll show you some stats and some income that I'm making on my Faceless YouTube channel. Now, I have another channel that I'm not revealing on this channel that I actually am on camera and show my face, and I make $900 commissions. That's another story, right? But what we're about here is how almost 100% of people could actually go out there and make a Faceless YouTube channel work if you follow my teachings, right? So you can just have a microphone and a computer, and you basically just push record, and you go out there and actually start creating simple videos, teaching people different things, and it will actually lead to commissions. And so what we're looking at on the screen right over here is, you can see I've already made $40 today. Yesterday I made $127. Last 7 days I made $41. And when I turn this on and actually start promoting Warrior Plus products, I usually within 30 days make at least $3,000 or more. But I haven't promoted Warrior Plus products in a while, but there was a really good product that came out. I did a video about it, and 100% on my Faceless YouTube channel. And you can see right over here that we made $215 right there, $127, $40 right there. And then you'll see right over here, this $300 is actually affiliate commissions that should be over here. Long story short, a vendor paid me, basically vendor wise. I sent them a button, and then they went ahead and purchased and sent me the money to make up for some of the commissions that I was sending over his way. So if you add the 300 up, and then you add those two up, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're looking at about $650 to $700 that I brought in from one video that took me about 30 minutes to create. I didn't even create bonuses, guys. I didn't even create bonuses. I didn't bribe people to purchase or anything. It's just about building an audience. And when you share a quality product with them, they're going to watch it. And if they want it, they're going to actually want to buy from you because you're most helpful, right? You're not trying to make people buy things from you. There's so many different cool ways to do affiliate marketing and make money online that you don't even have to be salesy. You just create quality content. Okay. So you can see right over here, there's commissions right there. We'll go log into this is all the earnings that I'm going to show you guys. I can't stress that enough. It's 100% from Faceless YouTube. I'm not on camera on these channels, okay? I have other commissions that I'm not sharing those with you because I use a different channel for that. But what we're looking at over here is today. You can see right over here, we're recording this. It's 9:16 a.m. in the morning on June 27th. This is current 2024 for you. And we've already made $168 on this platform. This is called Impact. It's a really big platform that you can go and sign up. You can go over here and go to Discover Brands, and you can actually go and discover thousands of brands. There's almost 6,000 brands that you can go out here and become an affiliate. So like if you're really big on Instagram or something like that, you might want to go into ManyChat, because this is a software that's really big for that software platform, right? It's basically an automated chat bot that will chat with people that send you messages on Instagram, and it will automatically send them information and so forth. So you can actually go and sign up to promote this as well. You can go and find all kinds of different things inside of here. You can actually go over to categories and select whatever you're looking for. If you're looking at just apps, if you're looking for accessories, if you're looking for apparel and clothing, if you're looking for business to business, baby and kids, right over here, you could just select that, and it's going to give you 117 businesses that you could go up and start promoting on your channel if this is the niche that you're in. Okay, so really cool platform right over here. We can go over to reports and go to reports by day, and you can just see the money that has been coming in via my Faceless YouTube channel right over here, and you can see just right over here. This is the last 14 days. You can see the total earnings are almost $4,000 right there. And if we go over here to the last 30 days, right over here, push apply, you'll be able to see that we have $8,591 in just the last 30 days, 100% from Faceless YouTube. You can see how steady the traffic is. Those are the clicks coming in. It's not a lot of clicks. You don't need a lot of clicks. Look, 60 clicks right there, and I'm making hundreds of dollars a day. We can come over here and look at the total earnings, and you'll see that it's very steady. Now, the reason why it looks like low earnings right over here is because we had some massive massive days, $2,457 in one day right there. And then we followed it up with another $1,600 day right there. But generally speaking, look at this. It's usually $100 that I'm making per day, $183 right there, $302 right there. Next day, $150, $128, $158, $139, $168 just today alone. So it's very, very steady income once you build it up. You've got to put in the work though first, guys. You can't just go out there, create a couple Faceless YouTube videos and then expect that you're going to be making $100 a day. Once you hit that $100 a day mark, that's $3,000 a month, and that is enough to replace a minimum wage job in the United States. So you'd already be doing really, really well. And if you were making that much money, you may as well stay home and double down on what you're doing so you can get to that $200 a day mark. And now you're making $6,000 a month. Now this can be done, and I'm going to go show you some more examples. Okay, so if we come over here to YouTube, and we type in how to make money with AI, right? A really popular niche in 2024. Obviously, there's full channels that are built just for this purpose alone. Now, what I like to do is, of course, we can scroll down here, but this guy has 600,000 subscribers, right? So we don't want to mimic what he's doing. We can't do what he's doing, right? And then also, look, he's on camera. So this is not what we're talking about right over here. We're talking about faceless. Like, say this guy is on camera, right? So we don't want to talk about that as well. But what I do like to come down and scroll, see, look, a lot of people in this niche are on camera. And you can come and scroll over and see that. That guy's on camera as well, right? So we want to skip past those, but then we want to come over here and we want to find some of these other ones, like this guy right here, Grow with Kaz or Kaz, only 37,000 subscribers. And look, it's a 100% faceless YouTube channel. So this is what I like to do. He's got under 50,000 subscribers. So this is something that we can replicate, right? He's creating videos on the topic of making money with AI. We can go check out his channel. He only has 100 videos, right? So 100 videos, and he has 37,000 subscribers. So if you kind of do some quick math on that, he's getting about every video he puts out, he's gaining about 400 subscribers. Let's just go and do a little bit of math right over here. So if we take if we actually take, it's basically 100 videos. Yeah, so I was pretty close actually, but it's about 370 subscribers. If you take 100 video, or you take 37,000 subscribers and you divide that by 100 videos, you got 370 subscribers per video. That is insane. That's really, really good for only 100 videos to have that many subscribers. Okay, so we can go and we can look at his channels over here. He's getting over 320,000 views per month. This guy's making a lot of money, 4,200 subscribers per month right there. And he's putting out about 9 videos, so 2, 4, 6, 8. So he's putting out about 2 videos per week. You could even beat that and do 3 videos per week and grow faster. And you can hover over here. Look, all faceless YouTube. He's never on camera right over here. He's just using AI and a voiceover. So you can do this kind of thing. He's getting 2,000 views there, 5,000 views, and almost 10,000 views there, 8,000 views right there. And then some of these just hit, right? So 16,000 views right over here. This turns into money, guys. Now what you can do is you can go and you can actually take a look, watch some of his videos, see what's going on with the video. And then I like to come in here and see what he's doing, right? So obviously he's making money with the AdSense program. We can go over here and look and see what his channel says. He's got almost 2 million views so far. And Social Blade's saying he's making about 1.2 thousand. But I can tell you in this particular niche, now if we're talking about health and fitness, or we're talking about self-development, or we're talking about, just the common niches, then the average cost per 1,000 views, your CPM or RPM is going to fall within this. It is actually pretty accurate. It even tells you, if you hover over the question mark, that this is based on 25 cents up to $4. Now, there are obviously niches that are way more than $4 per CPM cost per 1,000 views. This particular niche right here is absolutely going to be like about $15 or more per 1,000 views. Okay, so if he's getting 320,000 views, you would just take 320 times, right? So 320 times he hits 1,000 views. So 320, and you would times that by $15 per 1,000 views. He's more or less making $4,800 on this channel just from AdSense alone, and I can verify that with my Make Money Online channels and my software channels as well. They have higher CPMs, so this is never accurate. It's usually times 4. And so if you take the 1.2 times 4, it's basically 1.2 6.2 times 4, it should be about 4,800. It's 100% spot on, exactly where I would estimate it to be. And I actually did the calculations, and it turned out to be 100% spot on, that it's exactly 4 times the amount of this, about $15 per for the CPM for this particular niche, right? So if you get into a high CPM niche, which is the finance niche, the make money online niche, the make money with AI niche, software reviews, those kind of things, business oriented, there's a lot more money to be made in those niches because there's going to be more advertisers that want to put their ads on your videos and your channel. And that is why this number right here for this particular niche, I know, is way off. It's about 4 times more than this, and he's making around almost $5,000 a month from that. And that is only from AdSense alone, which would already be a full-time income for this guy. But then when you go in here and you start looking at what he's promoting, he's definitely promoting more of his videos, trying to keep you on his channel more. And I want to implement more of this as well in my business. But when you come over here, and this might even be good for recommendations and for SEO and so forth, but he's also got these codes right here. He's doing affiliate marketing. He also, if you want to get in contact with him and get coaching from him, he sells coaching. And then right over here, he's selling a Shop Plus. He's doing exactly what I teach as well. He's doing some good old fashioned affiliate marketing. He's selling this software over here. We can go and take a look at what this is. It's called Show Plus. And this Show Plus is basically, it helps your TikTok business, TikTok Business Plus and viral videos go viral. So you can go as a seller or a creator, and it's basically an analytics tool that's going to basically tell you what videos are doing well for other people and what products are doing well, and that you can go out there and get the products, do the videos, make more money and so forth. And then very important, he's going over here to this affiliate program over here, and he can make up to $1,000 for someone signing up with his affiliate link. So he signed up as an affiliate. He's sending people over here. They're signing up for a free account. They're checking it out. And some of them, a percentage of them, and I guarantee you, I've been doing this 4 years full time. I guarantee you that with his 321,000 views per month, him pushing products like this, he's making sales. So I would take that $4,800 that we can almost guarantee he's making from Google AdSense, $4,800 per month, and I would probably multiply that by at least 3. And that's more like what he's making on the channel. So if I had to estimate, this guy's making $14,400 around that area. I would say he's making, definitely with almost a 100% certainty, I can tell you he's making between $10,000 and $20,000 per month on this one channel with a small subscriber base and everything. He's hitting the topics right over here. And very important, remember, it's all faceless. You can outsource the voiceover. You can use AI voiceover. I think I watched a little bit of his. He's doing the voiceover. It sounds like himself. And a lot of other popular creators are doing the voiceover themselves. And then they're either outsourcing the video editing to somebody else and the script writing and so forth, or he's a creator that's doing the entire thing himself. And it's probably taking him, a few days to edit and create an entire video. But look, it's getting a massive return on investment. You can go over here and also go and look at the popular videos within the last 7 months. He had a 316,000 view video. He hasn't even hit 1 million views, let alone he hasn't even hit a 500,000 views video. But look at all these 34X, 11X, 9X. Those are the ones that are really knocking it out of the park when you're hitting over 20,000 views on, almost half of your videos that you've uploaded. You've got 20,000 views right over here. So look at this. So we got 4, 8, 12, 16, 21, 22 videos. So more than a fourth of his videos that he's created are getting 20,000 views. And that is what's helping. You can also go click over here and look at the top keywords that he's using on his videos. It's going to analyze it right over here for us. Is going to tell you all the different popular keywords. You could actually go in here and take this whole list. You could copy this list and you could go in to Chat GPT right over here. And then you could do something like this. You could say, create me, let's just say 25 viral clickbait YouTube titles that are 70 characters or less, based on these keywords. Put a colon and then Control V, paste, and then enter. Now check it out. It's going to go out there. It's going to analyze this. It's going to go out there and create this content for us. I'll push the down button right over here. And you can see right over here, we have Unlock TikTok Creativity Program, Beta Secrets for Viral Success, YouTube Automation Hacks, Make Money with AI video. So a lot of it's going to be AI, but then passive income, so this whole thing, it basically went out and created our whole blueprint plan for us if we wanted to get into that niche. You can repeat this process and do this for any niche you want to get into. So hopefully I inspired you in this video and I showed you a little bit of how much Faceless YouTube channels make. They make, you can make $1,000 a month, you can make $20,000 a month or more. It just depends on the niche that you're in, how many videos you have, how many subscribers, how many views you're getting. But at the end of the day, what I teach is to pick a niche that you're passionate about and that you can see yourself continuing to create content month after month, week after week, year after year, right? And then you can build your own products, your own courses, you can sign up to affiliate products, and then you're also going to make money from the AdSense program. But almost, I would say you could pretty much almost guarantee that almost any niche that you could make a few $1,000s per month in if you follow the game plan. So if you want to learn more about how I do this, click the first link below, go check it out, and I will see you in the next video.